Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me. I have a special episode for you this week. As we are heading into the new year and you are visualizing and committing to what you want to create in the coming year, I thought we could get some inspiration from some of my recent guests. I hope you are as energized and inspired by their words as I am.
Hello, my name is Jodi Flynn and welcome to Women Taking the Lead, where we are all about creating blasts of inspiration to help you overcome self-doubt so you can lead with confidence, integrity, and a sense of humor. Head over to womentakingthelead.com to join the community and get the resources to support you on your leadership journey. Now, your future awaits, so let's get started.
A man should, his reach should exceed his grasp, or what's a heaven for?
You never know how much your past will affect your future until it shows up in your present.
Stop waiting, start creating.
Fear is stupid. So are regrets. So jump out of the plane because it's just as likely that there will be a parachute. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God, and the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds in Christ Jesus.
It's all about balance.
I have learned over the years that when one's mind is made up, this diminishes fear.
Be the kind of leader that you would follow.
Let's get it together, sisters.
Greatness is a destiny that's available to anyone. We just have to choose it.
Opportunity is missed by most people because it's dressed in overalls and looks like work.
You will do foolish things, but do them with enthusiasm.
Never, never, never give up.
I'm convinced that about half of what separates the successful entrepreneurs from the non-successful one is perseverance.
If I had asked people how to improve their transportation, they would have told me to make their horses go faster. The real voyage of discovery is not in seeking new landscapes, but in having new eyes.
Better results require better conversations.
Never allow a person to tell you no who does not have the power to say yes.
Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go.
Whenever you see a successful business, someone once made a courageous decision.
I run this day does not run me.
It could be worse.
Your real life, your whole life, is worth getting your heart broken a few thousand times.
You are enough.
By nurturing you, you can better nurture your family too.
Done is better than perfect, and progress over perfection.
Better to ask forgiveness than permission.
Whatever you can do or dream you can, begin it. Boldness has genius, power, and magic in it.
Energy and persistence conquer all things.
In 20 years from now, you'll be more disappointed by the things you didn't do than by the ones that you did do.
Be the best that you can be in everything that you do.
What do you care what other people think?
You aren't pizza. You won't please everyone.
Stay in your lane.
The two most important days in your life are the day that you're born and the day that you figure out why.
Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right.
We're not given dreams or ideas without the ability to create them. And we're not given a vision of ourselves without the drive and bravery to bring this vision to life. All you must do is remind yourself that you're worth it over and over and over and over.
The only thing to fear is fear itself. You can't be that kid standing at the top of the water slide, overthinking it. You have to go down the chute.
People won't remember what you said, but they'll remember how they felt.
You're not doing this alone.
Let go of who you think you're supposed to be and embrace who you are.
Do and believe that which leads you towards your goals.
Life doesn't happen to you, it happens for you.
There's no such thing as a weird human being. It's just that some people might require more understanding than others.
The place life calls you to, or spirit calls you to, is the place where your deep gladness and the world's deep hunger meet. The place life calls you to, where the most aliveness is the place where your deep gladness and the world's deep hunger meet.
I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hears or what they think.
Love what you do.
Stop waiting, start creating.
There is something inside of us that transcends the human experience of race and culture and class. And for me, that's the human spirit.
Be the first to say hello, the first to compliment the other person, the first to give credit, the first to say sorry, the first to offer help, the first to show up for someone else, the first to set an example, the first to offer hope, the first to shine. Be the first.
Carpe diem. Seize the day.
We tend to think of our legacy as something that we leave behind at the end of our lives. But what would you do differently today if you believed that you had the choice to carve out exactly what you wanted that legacy to be in real time? Manifest that concept, and magically, you do have that choice. You are your own GPS in your life. Start by having a voice. Say yes by listening to that voice. What's next? Now is your new next.
There you have it. If you listened to this episode and got fired up to make things happen in the coming year, but you're feeling lost or doubtful around how to make it happen, reach out to me. You can find me at Jodi, Jodi, at womentakingthelead.com. I would love to hear from you and help you to achieve all your goals this year. And as always, I hope this was of value to you, and here's to your success.
Thank you all for joining me on Women Taking the Lead. And to strengthen you on your own leadership journey, I'd like to send you off with a quote from Marianne Williamson, so here goes. Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves, who am I to be brilliant, gorgeous, talented, fabulous? Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children do. We were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. Again, thank you for joining me, and here's to your success.